Hi everyone. I realised yesterday that I didn't film an intro because I am that good that I forgot. So I have filmed a film, but warning, it contains feet, and if you are anything like my partner, my other half, he hates feet. Don't know why. I've obviously got the most perfect feet in the world, and a lot of other people seem to have some huge issue with feet. So, word of warning, the upcoming video contains disgusting, not disgusting, the upcoming video contains feet. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you don't get too offended by my little pinkies, and I will see you all next time. Alright, I've just got a little bit of pure acetone on a lint-free pad, and I am just wiping over my nails, my toenails. So this is, well, you'll see what it is. It's just me having a little pamper of my feet. I'm using the Champneys Good as New Barefoot Beauty Restoring Foot Butter. Oh, and that smells absolutely amazing. It's minty. To soak up a blend of almond and coconut oil, complemented by shea butter. Leave your feet and toes refreshed with a minty aroma infused with notes of grapefruit and sun-drenched oranges. An intensely nourishing treat for your tired feet. What I'm going to do is just massage that into, and then I thought, oh, you know what, I could murder a nice foot rub, and seeing as there's no one here to give me a foot rub, I just have to do it myself. So I'm just massaging that all around my feet. Delightful. I'm just going to do my other one. Just a nice, generous blob. Make sure you get in those cuticles, soften those up, ready for in a second when I start pushing them back. Oh, it's a hot day. Hot day. So it's nice to get some love for your feet. We're just going to take a little cuticle pusher and just each toe, just push back that cuticle. Just gently, don't need to force it. Normally I would actually soak my feet in a nice warm bath before I do all this. But because I've just realised that my toes are naked and they need some loving, I thought I would quickly give them a little moisturiser, give them a little file and slap some polish on. I'm just going to use file, just a gentle file. I'm just going to straighten those up a little bit. I'm not too bothered. When you're doing your toenails, file straight across, don't file around. Let's bring you a bit closer now, shall we? There's my little toe. Is it focusing? Yep. You just go in straight across. My hands are so slippery from putting that moisturiser on. There you go. Much better. Oh my lord, I can't keep hold of my toes. Just a little straighten. I would normally cut them down a little bit, but these aren't too long for me. The only toenail I have problems with if it's long is my little toe, because it rubs on there if I have it too long. Okay, so we're going to get another lint wipe, some more acetone, just wipe over those nails, get rid of any of the dust. Some base coat. So base coat, oh, I can't open the bottle. So for the colour that I'm using, this is a NYX. It's a bright pink. It's a bright pink. I usually gel polish my toes. Right. Wow. That's a pretty nice colour. I'm not overly keen on tiny little bottles of nail varnish like this because they come with the tiniest little lids with the tiniest, teeniest little brushes to hold on to. Well, you know what I mean. The lids and everything are so tiny I can't seem to hold on to them. So they're not my fave, but we're making it work. Right, let that dry. I used to love nail varnish, but I've kind of fallen out of it now. I'm very much a gel polish kind of girl, just because gel polish is so much more versatile. I was actually going to do a little video of gel polish versus traditional nail varnish. I know it's already been done like probably 1,000 times. I actually don't think I'm going to do another coat. It's not completely opaque. You can see a little bit through them. I don't know if you can see that. But it's on my toes, so I'm not that bothered. I don't think people are going to get that close to my toes. I am then going to top it off with this little beauty. Is it going to focus? Is it going to focus? This is a NYX. Oh, I just have to describe it to you. It's another little NYX with like holographic fibres in it. So I thought I would give that a go. I'm only using these because the other day I tidied up my bedroom and discovered that I had this whole drawer full of nail varnishes that I haven't used in a million years. Wow. And this is that good old stuff that you get 3 tons of, like a top coat. And no fibres come out. I love that when that happens. So I need to get a sponge really, but I don't want to move to the sponge. So we just get what we can on the brush, wipe it over, and try and dab some on. There you go, that's quite fun. So it's not overly overpowered, it's just got a few cute little holographic. Yeah. Shall I just leave that on my big toe or shall I do them all? Let's do them all. But they don't put enough in. There we go. I'm just swirling the brush around to pick some up and then kind of dotting them on. So it is super easy to do this if you get a sponge. Paint it onto a sponge as if you're doing ombre, and it kind of soaks up the clear polish that they use and just leaves you the fibres to dot on, and then you get a much better payoff of them. Oh, they're so soft as well. Champneys foot butter makes them so soft. They make them feel so nice. That's what I like to put on before I go to bed a lot of the time. Alright, let's get a little bit of top coat on, shall we? I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you all later.